Yes, hello everyone, welcome to next Femitech video tutorial. Now for this episode I'm going to show you how to flip, or if you want to say rotate this HP Stream laptop. So as you can see, it is in portrait in terms of the orientation of the screen. So you'll have to turn it this way to actually see the icons the right way. In terms of you moving the mouse, definitely mouse not moving accordingly because the screen would have flipped. So we need to get it back into what is called landscape. So the first thing is to actually get the cursor in any clear or open space on the desktop there. Right click. Now you can use the cursor. If you can actually try and manipulate it to go down to display, or you can use tab and the down arrows. So I'm gonna use combination of tab and the arrows. So I'm using the arrows going down to display. Click on enter. Then you will see orientation there. I'm gonna go to the screen orientation section there. So as I said, you can use a mouse and go down. So use the mouse to assist me there. Want to go to landscape, click on enter to apply, or click the enter to choose. Now I want to go to apply, so I'm using the tab key now, enter. Right, so keep changes, click within 13 seconds. Right, and it is now changed. So that's how you fix a flip laptop problem. This is model, it is the HP Stream. In the description section of the video will be definitely giving you the exact model. So once again guys, if you're new to my YouTube channel, please remember that you need to click on the subscription button. You need to leave your comments in the comment section of the video, and of course share the videos. So once again guys, thanks for viewing. Femitech is out of here.